Winhycare blood bank refrigerator, dedicated to storing blood, displaying the temperature inside the blood bag in real time, easy to observe the temperature inside the blood bag. Forced air cooling system, keep inside temperature stable and uniform. Individual transparent inner door can be opened independently, to minimize loss of cold temperature during a door opening. Adjustable shelves, improve space utilization. Exclusive patented temperature box design, reveal the temperature of the blood in storage. Standard test hole. Field-proven reliability, safety, key design features, energy saving, installation and application.